guys, what's up guys? Tay here from the iTunes fanboy. Thanks guys for 41 subscribers. I'm sure it won't be long before I make a 50 subscribers special. So anywho, what we have here is the Roku Express, and it was one of my dad's birthday presents. It was yesterday. As you can see here, I'm going to unbox it. Stream. You can go ahead and look at the packaging here. You don't get voice control in here like I know you do. Very good reviews from CNO. This is fairly old Roku. Oh Molly. I'm going to open it up here for the first time. And then this can stream all these channels that way, and I'm sure it's some very important. Here you get some quick start guide here. Oh my goodness, Roku stickers. Yeah, manual. HDMI cable, wow. This is HDMI, I think this is USB. What does this even do? Here's the remote here. It does have some plastic wrap on here that I'm going to get rid of here. Here is your little cable thing. Moving on. Here we get the batteries here, and here we get the Roku cable. I think this is to stick down the Roku in place or something. This has an HDMI. As you can see here, this has got all this stuff here, and so this does let you access popular channels like Netflix, ESPN Plus, Hulu Sling. Let's go ahead and put some batteries in this remote here now. Never mind. It's enough of accessories actually. Alright, I guess this is it for the unboxing. Thanks guys very much for watching. And as always, it's the iTunes fanboy sign off. Peace out.